The summer months are often filled with travel and time celebrating with friends and family. But it's often the small, everyday disruptions that can take you out of those very special, precious moments. Today, we have lifestyle expert Niki Anastasakis and practicing community pharmacist Peter Gao joining us.
We are very excited to talk all about a selection of a number of tips, a selection of products by leading consumer health company Haleon. We got everything to help you get well, stay well all summer long. You can visit their platform actually at getwellstaywell.ca for some coupons and some health tips. But first, let's get right to the items.
Let's get right to the items. Everyone needs a multivitamin for a number of reasons. Tell me about Centrum.
With more time spent out and about this summer, you know, it's so important to feel your best. So we have a multivitamin that supports your overall health and can keep you up with everything the summer brings. Centrum offers a line of complete daily multivitamins formulated with essential micronutrients to support your whole body health and wellness, designed for specific life stages. Peter, tell us about the 50+ option.
Yeah, so the newly reformulated Centrum Adult 50 Plus has been clinically shown to support memory and brain health. It's a complete multivitamin, which means that it also supports things like immune health, bone strength, and energy metabolism.
Wow.
And Centrum is Canada's #1 doctor and pharmacist recommended brand.
Let's be real. Everyone has aches and pains and perhaps a headache here and there. What's something that you recommend taking for things like that?
Yeah, so the headache can definitely derail your day. We see that all the time. New to the market is Advil migraine and headache. So it's specifically indicated for your tough migraine pain. And not only that, also associated symptoms like nausea and sensitivity to lights and sounds.
Okay.
It's a fast-acting liquid gel, which means that it can help deliver relief earlier.
Speaking of taking something, it's so funny because I was experiencing a little bit of heartburn the other day. And I was like, I don't know if maybe I ate too much spicy food or what this was from, but my stomach was all gurgly and I didn't have those guys on hand and I was very upset. But Tums helps me all the time.
Yes, Nicole, don't let heartburn or an upset stomach take away all these special moments this summer. You know, whether you're at a restaurant enjoying new food, at a barbecue, celebrations, don't let heartburn take those moments away. With the right relief on hand, you can enjoy your favorite foods with your favorite people. Tums is Canada's #1 trusted heartburn relief brand, voted by Canadians.
Yes, and it's also available in a number of different formulations. So we have Tums Chewy Bites, comes in a version that addresses both heartburn and gas relief.
I, no word of a lie, have I think like 12 weddings.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, and I just kicked off the season of festivities, and something that you do at a lot of these occasions are commemorate them with taking pictures. And well, everyone wants a really nice smile when you take that snapshot, right?
Yes,
How do we get white pearly teeth?
We have Sensodyne Clinical White. This is your ultimate go-to toothpaste to help you have those pearly whites for your photos, summer vacations.
Yeah, and what's nice about Sensodyne Clinical White is that it's safe for your enamel. It's been clinically proven to get teeth 2 shades whiter and also provides that 24/7 sensitivity protection that we all like.
Where can people find more information if they have questions and they want to purchase the coupons you mentioned off the top, Niki?
Yes. So you can visit their website, which is getwellstaywell.ca, for some cost-saving coupons, any health tips, any information on these products. Getwellstaywell.ca. You guys, this is the time to take charge of your health so that you can look and feel your best all summer long. Of course, brought to you by Haleon.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Niki. Thank you so much, Peter.
Thank you.
We'll flash our pearly whites and we'll see you guys next time. Have a great summer.
Happy summer.